Good morning, students. I am Puneet Kumar from Goronda, working as assistant professor in RPIIT college. Today we discuss in this video purpose or objective, or you can say that function of accountancy. There are many purpose or function of accounting, like to keep a systematic record, to ascertain the result of operation, to ascertain financial position of business, to facilitate rational decision making, to satisfy requirement of law and useful in many respects, providing effective control over the business, making information available to various groups. Now we discuss one by one. Like first is that calculation of profit and loss. The main purpose of accounting is to calculate the profit and loss for a definite period of time from business transaction. Thus, in order to fulfill this objective, trading and profit and loss account is prepared in the end of accounting period. Under it, purchase, sales, income and expenses of whole year are recorded. If the total income of a business is more than expenses, then business earns net profit. On the contrary, if expenses are more than total income of business, then business suffers net loss. The next purpose, keeping systematic record of business transaction. Under accounting, all business transactions are recorded regularly according to the respective dates, so that these transaction of records can be kept for a long time. The complete record of business transaction decreases the possibility of errors and frauds in account. In order to fulfill this objective, oftenly all transactions are recorded prior in journal or subsidiary books. The next is poetry of liquidity position. Accounting provide information to the internal and external parties about the liquidity position of firm, because through it current assets and liability of firm are recorded fully. With its help, different parties related to firm can take right decision. Next is detection of errors and frauds. If all accounts related to business transactions are recorded properly, then errors and fraud can be detected easily. The last, helpful in assessment of tax. Each business firm has to pay the tax on its income, production and sales. The right accounting books are very helpful in tax assessment, because the complete knowledge regarding actual sales, production and income of business is received through these. In their absence, the tax authority can charge tax from business as per its wish. These are the purpose, function or objective of accountancy. Okay students, thank you.